Start of qualification match 2, drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
That begins qualification match number 2. All 6 robots quickly off that starting line. 2 coral for both alliances already scored on that level 4. Another one coming in for Inconceivable on that blue alliance. Red alliance side looks like an extra piece of coral in that level 1 trough. 1 algae off of that reef already as Teleop begins. Inconceivable quickly grabbing a piece of algae from the reef, headed over to their net, dropping that in successfully. Some coral coming in from the Red Alliance. Robotics quickly placing some coral onto that level 1. Blue Alliance side, Inconceivable getting some more algae off of that reef. Their partners back and forth on the field trying to get coral up from that human player station onto that level 4 of the reef. Almost full already for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance side of the field looks like Orange Overdrive trying to play some defense on the Red Alliance, trying to keep them out of that human player station. More Robotics quickly dropping a piece of algae into that processing station. Beast doing the same thing for that Red Alliance. Their half of the cooperation completed. Human player, though, for the Blue Alliance, quickly putting those 2 algae into that net for the Blue Alliance. Inconceivable for the Blue Alliance, quickly adding a last piece of coral to that level 4, having successfully filled that top level. Their teammates gonna start working on that level 3 now. Them and Roundtable Robotics pulling some algae off of that reef. Just a minute remaining in the match already. Red Alliance side, Beast trying to line up to get a piece of coral from their human players. Human players having to be careful not to break that plane inside the coral station. Inconceivable starting to work on that level 2 coral. Their teammates Roundtable going back and forth from that human player station very quickly. More Robotics gonna try and get some algae off that reef, changing their mind as only 30 seconds remain in the match. Blue Alliance having a reef very, very filled with that coral. The sonar is found in only 20 seconds remaining in the match. Blue Alliance having 3 of the necessary 4 levels completed for that bonus ranking point. But Inconceivable not going to waste any time getting up onto that deep cage. Their teammates trying to line up as well. Roundtable going to try and get that last piece of coral on if they can. Unfortunately, it is just to the side as time runs out. Blue Alliance win. 153 to 115. Blue Alliance walking away with 5 ranking points, 3 from the win, 1 from the barge, and 1 from autonomous. However, Red Alliance